Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Iori Himeka. Code IPX994. Released on February 14, 2023. And it has 160 minutes watch time. The story is about female instructor and the guys. The girl was worried about the guy was not in good terms with his school friend. So the girl reported them to the school executive. Apparently, the guys didn't like what she did because the guys got into a disciplinary room. So one day, the guy invited the girl into a PE room. However, while they are at the room, things went out of control. They spent quality time together and the wonderful story began.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.